To add PayPal on Apple Wallet, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can find it in the app library or by using Siri to search for it. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a new card or payment method. Next, select the option to add a new card and then choose the credit or debit card option. However, since you are adding PayPal, you will need to select the option to add a different type of card or pass. Then, you will see an option to add a transit card or a payment method from a specific bank or service. Scroll down to see the PayPal option. After selecting the PayPal option, you will be redirected to the PayPal website to sign into your PayPal account. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Then review the terms and conditions of adding your PayPal account to Apple Wallet. If you agree to the terms, tap Agree and Continue. You will then be asked to verify your PayPal account by entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once you have entered the verification code, your PayPal account will be linked to your Apple Wallet. You can now use PayPal to make purchases online or in store using your Apple device. To use PayPal with Apple Wallet, simply select the PayPal option as your payment method when checking out. You can also use Siri to make purchases with PayPal by saying "Make a payment with PayPal." Additionally, you can also use PayPal to send and receive money using the Messages app on your Apple device. It is essential to note that you must have a compatible Apple device and the latest version of iOS to use PayPal with Apple Wallet. Also, ensure that your PayPal account is in good standing and has sufficient funds to make purchases. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to your Apple Wallet and enjoy the convenience of making payments online or in store using your Apple device.